watching Tiny Tales.
Let's learn birds. Crow, peacock, parrot, red parrot, swan, hen, cuckoo, duck, eagle, rooster, woodpecker, ostrich, crane, kingfisher, owl, pelican, pigeon, turkey, stork, seagull, sparrow, crow, peacock. Let's learn fruits. Apple, banana, mango, orange, grapes, papaya, jackfruit, pineapple, lemon, lime, tomato, dates, plums, watermelon, pomegranate, strawberries, peach, fig, kiwi, cherries, blackberry, blueberries, cucumber, apricot, avocado, pear, lychee, melon, mangosteen, cranberries, gooseberries, coconut, raspberry, goji berries, mulberries, apple. Animals: lion, tiger, elephant, cheetah, giraffe, bear, buffalo, hippopotamus, camel, monkey, donkey, horse, kangaroo, chimpanzee, deer, snake, mongoose, gorilla, alligator, ape, fox, rabbit, jackal, walrus, yak, jaguar, zebra, rhinoceros, dinosaur, panther, hyena, hamster, moose, polar bear, porcupine, raccoon, reindeer, anteater, elephant seal, ultrasaurus, lion,